Hello to everyone. Next video is again about a flashlight, and today I have for you a flashlight Varta. It's a special flashlight to outdoor activities also, but also very good flashlight to industry. So as you can see, again this battery has a nice robust body. Button is in the top position. Light is again very strong. You can see it's really very strong, and it is shockproof, so you can see that I can do anything and it's still ready. I think that it's possible to 9 meters shockproof from 9 meters. Inside is special 3 watts LED diode and with 140 lumens. It's also water resistant, and this metal body is from aluminium, and you have for this flashlight 3 years warranty, and weight of this flashlight is 295 grams. So I will show you again what is inside and how you can change the batteries. Okay, so have a look. Okay, so we have here again in last side spring, and what we have inside, two batteries. So Varta high energy, so 2 batteries, alkaline batteries, AA, so you can see 2A. Okay, and if you want to change, just again inside like this, 1, 2, and cover and button, top button. Okay, ready. So thank you for the watching. Don't forget subscribe. Don't forget to buy this special flashlight, and see you in the next video. Bye.